Now next is rocks and minerals. The earth crust is made up of different types of rocks. A rock is a natural deposit that forms the solid part of the earth crust. They can be as hard as granite or marble and can be as soft as the particles of sand, clay or gravel. A rock is not a chemical compound but an agglomeration of minerals. Types of rocks. Rocks may be in physical property, and this variation is due to the process that gives rise to rocks. Rocks may be classified into three categories on the basis of their origin. These are igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks. Igneous rock. What is igneous rock? They are also called primary rocks because they are formed first. The word igneous are taken from the Latin word ignis, meaning fire. These rocks are formed by the process of solidification of molten rocks material called magma. Igneous rocks are very hard. Most rocks found on earth belong to this category. They are good building materials. Examples of such rocks are basalt, granite and dolerite. They can be classified further into two subtypes: extrusive igneous rock. During the volcanic eruption, when magma erupts and on reaching the earth's surface, it cools and solidifies. As a result, rocks are formed on the surface known as volcanic rocks. Now the next one is intrusive rocks. They are formed by the solidification of magma below the surface of the earth in the cracks or joint. Inside the earth, magma cools very slowly and as a result forms crystal of large size. Sometimes the magma solidify as a great depth. Due to very slow cooling, large size of rock crystal are formed very deep down. The deep seated igneous rocks are called plutonic rocks. What we call plutonic rocks. Now the next one is sedimentary rocks. They are also known as a secondary rocks because they are formed from sedimentary deposition from the pre-existing rocks. Igneous rocks are exposed to the forces of nature. These forces break the rocks on the surface of rock into small pieces. The small pieces turns to tiny particles with time. These tiny particles are transparent by the agent of nature like river or wind and are deposited certain places. The deposition of such materials occur in layers. That is why they are called stratified or sedimentary rocks. These rocks often contain fossils of animals and plant life. They are comparatively soft. These are formed by remain of vegetation, and animals are buried and trapped into the layer of the sediments. With the passage of time, the trap remains changed into coal or petroleum. This is why coal and petroleum are known as fossil fuel. They help us to calculate the age of the rocks and tells us about the things that happened millions of years ago. Sedimentary rocks can also be classified into 3 subtypes. How many types? 3 subtypes. Mechanically formed sedimentary rock. When rocks are exposed to weather change, they are broken and thus carried to a particular side of such material is deposited in layers and the rocks are formed. For example, of such rocks are clay, gravel and sandstone. Chemically formed sedimentary rocks, they are formed by the pressure of evaporation of water containing minerals salt in solution. In the set salt lakes, water evaporates leaving behind the layer of salts. This salt can get solidified into sedimentary rocks. Examples of such rocks are common salt, gypsum and potash. Organic formed sedimentary rocks, they are formed by the accumulation of the remnant part of the organism, plants and animals. For example of such rocks are chalk, coal and limestone. Next one is metamorphic rocks. Meaning of metamorphic rocks is changed or altered. These rocks are either igneous or sedimentary rocks which are undergoes the changes due to excessive heat or pressure. This change of one type of rocks to another is called metamorphic rocks. For example, due to excessive heat, limestone changes into marble and sandstone changes to quartzite. Metamorphic rocks are very hard rock. Rock cycle. The 3 categories of rocks are constantly forming from one another in a continuous circuit which is known as rock cycle. When igneous rocks are exposed to weather changes, they are broken and eroded and give birth to sedimentary rocks due to excessive pressure and heat. These rocks are further undergoes the change into metamorphic rock. Thus, the cycle of change from one type of rock to another type is called rock cycle. What we call rock cycle. Rocks can be used by the various purposes as building materials, marbles and granite, or fuel, coal and petroleum as precious stone, diamond, gems and source of chemical, phosphate and potash, source of metals, iron and copper, etc. Next class we will discuss weathering. Thank you.